Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, set the res color, enable button on, adjust the photo. And then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, set the res color, enable button. Then select another photo, remove the background, set the res color, enable button on. Save the photo, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Then select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size, adjust the size, copy the writing, change the color, adjust the color, save the rating, adjust the save confirmation, change the background, select the color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.